Hello guys, what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, which is a bit tricky because they have been having some internal issues, but we're gonna help you set things up if or when that happens. So Hamster Kombat, if you type it on Google, it's gonna show you this, right? So a lot of people think that Hamster Kombat can be downloaded from the Play Store or App Store. So if you tap on Hamster Kombat, we're using BlueStacks for this. As you can see here, there is a lot of fake stuff here that's using the Hamster Kombat stuff, but that is not what we are looking for. So Hamster Kombat is accessed through Telegram. So you can do this on your mobile device or on your computer or laptop. And for this example, we are going to do this on the PC, on your computer. So you need to have Telegram desktop uploaded. You can try using Telegram web like this, just access Telegram via your browser, but it is much better if you download Telegram desktop. So if you click download Telegram desktop, all you need to do is click on get Telegram for Windows X4, and you will be able to download the app on your PC, whether Windows 10 or 11. And once that's done, this is this is pretty much what it's going to look like. Pretty much the same as mobile, right? It's the same. So once you have Telegram installed on your computer, or if you use the mobile the browser version, doesn't matter, go to hamsterkombatgame.io, or just search for Hamster Kombat, or just search for Hamster Kombat on Google, and it's going to be the first option. So click that. Again, we're going to be brought to this page, and all you need to do is click on play now. Make sure that your Telegram is logged in. Click play now, and this pop-up will appear. Always allow, do that. Open Telegram desktop. Now, as you can see here, we're gonna have Hamster Kombat bot. And then next thing we need to do is click on start. After that, click start. There you go. It's a bit laggy. And there are a few things here. It says, hello, welcome to Hamster Kombat. You are now a director of a crypto exchange. Which one you choose, blah, blah, blah. Start with this, or click play, or click play one click. Subscribe, you can subscribe to the channel. And number 3 is how to earn from the game. So this is very important. Click that, and so that you'll understand how you can actually earn from the game. Let's wait for it to load. And there you go. It says here how to play Hamster Kombat, full version of this guide. Tap to earn, tap the screen and collect. Earn is pretty AFK. Mine, upgrade cards that will give you passive income opportunities. Profit per hour. This exchange will work for you on its own, even when you are not in the game for 3 hours. So every 3 hours you need to check on in. Then you need to log on the game again. Level, the more coins you have on your balance, the higher the level of your exchange is, and the faster you can earn more coins. Invite your friends and you'll get bonuses. Pretty much the same thing, right? So all you need to do is click on play, and this pop-up will appear. It's a bit slow for some reason. I don't know why. All right, so we're gonna cut to my phone because for some reason, the Telegram desktop and web browser is not working for the entire day. Before it was. So now we are back to where we cut. And to play, either click play on the lower right corner of the screen with a blue play button, or play in one click. So tap that, and the Hamster Kombat app will now be launched properly. As you can see, it still loads a bit, and this is going to be what the interface looks like now. There's a few things you can do here. As you can see, if I tap, I get more coins, right? So I have over 1.2 million now. And how do you get coins? You can do the daily rewards like so. You can also do daily ciphers, which is kind of like a cool game. Daily combos. You need to choose the right combo of these cards. These are called cards, so that you can mine them. And then you can also play the mini game, which for me, I don't like this one. I don't have the patience for it. So, all right, once that's done, you can also click mining because it's the same thing, right? I'm tapping the main menu on the bottom, right? And then you could also tap on Playground, where you can play mini games to earn keys. Keys are very important in this app, right? Next is earn, right? It's going back to earning coins. But for us to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, it's very easy. All you need to do is tap on airdrop on the lower right corner, like so. And as you can see here, airdrop allocation TBA, there's two things: points, and as you can see here, passive income, earn tasks, friends, achievements. These are all to be TBA because it is still not launched. So to withdraw, just tap on withdrawal, and to withdraw, you need a Ton wallet. Now, connect your Ton wallet. Just tap this, right? Your Ton wallet is connected, as you can see here. This is our Ton wallet here. Now, we can't withdraw at the moment because there has been some issues with the Hamster Kombat team. Some speculate that it's not gonna push through. Some say they just need to fix things. So as you can see, you need a Ton wallet, right? You need it. This can be Ton Keeper, Binance, or any other wallet that has that's connected to the Ton blockchain, right? So you can also press X. Are you sure you want to unether your Ton wallet? Tap yes, right? So I can show you. Now connect your Ton wallet. So it says here, connect your Ton wallet. Again, tap that. So you have options here. You have, like what I said, Ton Keeper, My Ton Wallet, Ton Hub, D-Wallet, and other options. So let's tap Ton Keeper because that's what we're going to use. And as you can see, our Ton Keeper app is launched. So let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, connect wallet. So just tap connect wallet like so. Enter passcode. There you go. I almost forgot. So after that, as you can see here, we're going to go back to the Hamster Kombat bot in Telegram, and then once again, just open it after connecting your wallet. Right after that, go back to airdrop, go back to withdrawal, and as you can see, if you tap that, our Ton wallet is connected from Ton Keeper. Now, like what I said, you know, like we just need to get the notification that we could airdrop so that we could withdraw to our Ton wallet, our hard-earned Hamster Kombat stuff, right? So as you can see here, all we can do is mine for now, but we will be able to withdrawal, I mean, pretty soon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.